All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're ready to roll the red carpet for our award ceremony. I just request our beautiful host to kindly set the stage on fire.
Geeta's always kind enough to call me beautiful host. उनको पता है उसके बाद I will call her beautiful. So that's how we start. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you feeling? See, देखिए, today is going to be a very, very fun show for all of you. So namaste to all the doers, the executors, the perfectionists. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about you, the leaders who make it all happen. A warm welcome to Solar Project Engineering Week India 2021 Awards. Kafi lamba naam hai, but I think it just suits how big the event is. And our amazing event is powered by Solar Quarter, of course. So before we start, we have a burning question. एक बहुत ही बड़ा सवाल है, which we've been wanting to ask for the longest time. तो सवाल ये है, तो all of you are in the engineering field, all right? तो एक बात तो पक्का है कि at least one of your घर वाले and सगे संबंधी has asked you to repair their phones, mixie, grinder, laptop and अन्य वस्तु. So let us know the funniest item someone has asked you to repair. Let us know. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Switch on your videos, switch on your audios, talk to us. Or for those who are a little shy, आप type भी कर सकते हैं comment box में. How about that? So let us know, ladies and gentlemen, the funniest item you've been asked to repair because all of you are engineers. Come on, यार कोई तो आओ, talk to me. See, आपको तो मतलब just by my voice you can understand how talkative I am. So how about I have somebody who's a brave heart who will switch on their cameras and their audios and talk. The first person we will. Array. So we
Hi,
have
Nikita.
Dekta. I knew that brave heart had to be a brave, beautiful woman like you. Yes.
Thank you for such a warm welcome. Actually, it feels really beautiful that a woman is starting this award show like Geeta and you. I felt extremely happy to be, I feel right now very comfortable to actually talk.
मुझे लग रहा है आप अपने बारे में बात कर रहे थे.
नहीं आप दोनों ने you have made it really very comfortable. I mean, trust me, till now I was feeling butterflies in my stomach. I was like, नहीं यार मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? क्यों ऐसा क्या? गीता seems a little मतलब वो थोड़ी power pack लगती है, but I'm the soft one.
No, both of you are like really great. I mean, like, okay, मैं इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर हूँ, तो मेरे दादा दादी मुझे पूछते हैं, तो तेरे जॉब में तो तुझे रोज वो जो इलेक्ट्रिकल पोल दिखता है वो चढ़ना पड़ता होगा रिपेयर करने के लिए. कभी उसके ऊपर जो है तो हमें फोन किया कर, हमको भी देखना है तो रिपेयर कैसे करती है इलेक्ट्रिक पोल.
Oh God. तो आप करते थे कि नहीं?
Obviously नहीं, कभी किया नहीं है, but they always wanted to say that. And another funny comedy by my grandfather is like, so solar module is something like उनको दिखता है, but उनका concept समझाना it gets really tougher. So मुझे पूछते, ओ तो तेरा प्लेट लगाना हो गया, कितने सारे प्लेट लगाया तुम लोगों ने अभी. So these are the two funniest conversation I have with my family every time because I'm an electrical engineer.
देखिए उनको ऐसा लगता है कि आप प्लेट लगाते हो और इलेक्ट्रिक पोल चढ़ते हैं, but that too they'll be like, अरे आपको पता नहीं हमारी जो बेटी है ना घर की.
Obviously that happens like everywhere we go. The conversation begins, पता है उसने ये किया. So that definitely, that love is there. But yes, as an electrical engineer you face that. I mean, कौन सा पोल, कितना पोल चढ़ते हो, कितना प्लेट लगाया है. So solar is relatively very new concept to them. So and making them understand we generate electricity out of these gets very interesting.
क्या बात है देखा. Thank you. So what a brilliant, beautiful start. बिल्कुल मतलब मुझे ऐसे ही जवाब देते हैं. सिकता, ladies and gentlemen, सिकता has set the bar really high. I mean as high as the electric pole.
Thank you.
Sikta, I am looking forward to an amazing conversation with you. So stay tuned. आप हमारे साथ बिल्कुल अंत तक रहिए. That was fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, anybody else who think कि नहीं भाई सिकता जितना ही as high as electric pole is, we have a funny story. So who is the second brave heart? और comment यार, comment देखिए. सिकता was This is not prepared. I'm meeting Sikta for the first time. ऐसे मजेदार conversation होगी. Anybody else? We will not start the award show before that. तो अगर आपको award चाहिए, if you want the award in your bag, how about you come on in? Tell us something funny. Write to us on the comment box. How about you do that? See, if you don't voluntarily come on in, I will have to force you into it. Okay, so I see two people. There is Nimish and there is Shivakumaran. Nimish and Shivakumaran, you're the only ones with photos, profile photos, hence you're the lucky ones. So comment करके बताओ, yeah, come live, come on in. It is fun. Trust me, ask Sikta. Shivakumaran and Nimish. Mr. Shivakumaran, take it ahead. ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि somebody is not asked you to repair something.
Yeah, it happens with me. We live in an apartment which has 4 houses in a floor. So this neighbor of mine one day knocks our door, asking, telling that something is wrong with the mixie of theirs. And they just wanted to know what was wrong. And the explanation or the justification that they gave to my wife was, I thought your husband will know it because he's an electrical engineer. So no, this also happens
And
with
why
my
wouldn't you?
happens with my mom all the time. She says, if you don't know this, then why would I spend so much money on you to make you an electrical engineer?
So that all the
the
household gadgets work properly. Of course, that's the
normally
only reason why.
I think this
That's no-
happens to most of us. Most of us have been in this situation.
Why were you so embarrassed by the story? Why did you not take this up before? No, that is my second question to you.
It's not an embarrassing feeling exactly, but I'll be surprised like how people's perspective are towards electrical engineers. I mean, we do big stuff and they want us to repair a mixie. Come on, that's not something I expect people to think of me.
Wow, Mr. Sevka, I can see the hurt. You're deeply hurt by this. You've taken it very personally.
Maybe I've heard a lot of this though.
I mean, she is so proud. She's like, I am the person who climbs the pole, and there you are feeling so sad.
Yeah. True.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shivakumaran.
Nice.
That was
Thank you.
fantastic. We will meet you very shortly.
Sure.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, like I said, I mean, amazing stories, and this is the game that we will continue playing. So I will take one comment. How about we take one comment? Because the premise is the first 3 to engage with us get the biggest prize in life, as you can see, and the prize is name and fame. So another comment. Let's have that. One comment, please. How about we have one comment from Sarang? Sarang Patil. Sarang?
Yeah, definitely.
Make the most of that.
Basically, what happens is that my son always says to me that, okay, you've been in the electric field, and so just repair some toys, some electronic toys of him, and so on. And that goes on because he just comes in any call. I'm just expecting that he doesn't come in this, but anytime he comes and just says, yeah, it's broken and just repair it.
क्या बात है आप सारंग आपने नोट किया वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद सिक्ता के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ने उनके बारे में मतलब उनको कहा इलेक्ट्रिक पोल शिवकुमारन के मदर ने कहा और आपके बच्चे ने आई मीन दिस प्रॉब्लम इज प्लेगिंग इंजीनियर्स बोथ ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स स्पाउस बच्चे कोई छोड़ता नहीं है बट फैंटास्टिक स्टोरी एंड सारंग आई वुड लव टू मीट योर सन बाय द वे हाउ अबाउट वी गेट हिम इन जब आपका अवार्ड होगा अपने बेटे को जरूर लाइएगा
Sure.
Done. Thank you so much. That was fantastic. All right, execution experts. My name is Nikita Rana and I will be hosting today's session. The moment you've all been waiting for, presenting to you the award evening. तो जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इसी बात पर मैं कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ती ताली बजाने के लिए especially for myself. So audience members, with this, your second shot to fame and glory starts now. be the generous leader that you are. Write in beautiful congratulatory notes. देखिए अभी तक हमारा क्या बोलते हैं चैट बॉक्स का खाता खुला नहीं है. So I want you to be the generous leader that you are and write in beautiful congratulatory notes to our winners, and they would do the same when you win. So the first three we will read out, and winners, please read all the blessing shard to us. I will stick to first three only क्योंकि time का तो आपको पता ही है. Time flies when you are having fun. All right, so with this, let's start. Our very first award is anytime soon. All right, our very first award, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see on your screens, is the outstanding. So the very first award is the Solar Energy Project Engineering Awards, of which the very first award is Outstanding Project Performance Engineering. So I will give you, we at First View and Solar Quarter do things very differently. We won't describe about the company, we'll give you hints for you to decide. The company is the pioneer in development of green technology solutions which are capable of delivering quick returns on investment. The company commissions and executes solar projects on a turnkey basis from concept to completion as per the customer requirements. I think this is hint enough. Let's see who's won this brilliant award. The award goes to I think before we give congratulations, I love the fact that Manisha Chaturvedi wrote in beforehand itself, congratulations to all winners. And on that note, this award has been graced to Almia Future Energies Private Limited. We have with us Al Nishan Shahul, the managing director of this brilliant company. Mr. Shahul, stage is all yours. Many congratulations. Do we have Mr. Shahul with us? Or any representative of this brilliant company of Almia? If not, how about, ladies and gentlemen, whenever is it that the MD wants to come on in, we call Mr. Shahul to be with us. Till then, let's move on to our next award. Our next award is Our next award is the Project Performance, Engineering and Design Innovation. And ladies and gentlemen, this brilliant award has been won by two extremely deserving companies. So I will talk about the very first company first. It is the first company to manufacture Surya Jyoti Micro Solar Dome. This product was developed further for effective use during the day as well as night with photovoltaic PV also. This innovation saw huge demand from mainly rural benefiters. And let's see who's won this brilliant award. This award goes to All right, let's give it up for Team R&D Solar Enterprise. We have Arun Kumar Roy, the proprietor of this company. Arun Kumar, many congratulations. Take it ahead. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I know for a fact, your generosity is, I can feel it through my screen, but I can't see it on the chat box. So hit that chat box. Manisha, I am expecting a response from you. And on that note, Arun, please take it ahead.
Thank you, madam.
Mr. Arun, many congratulations, firstly.
Thank you, madam. Welcome. I'm Arun Kumar Roy from R&D Solar Enterprise, provider of R&D Solar Enterprise. Just I am introducing you a manufacturer of micro solar. What is micro solar? You know about something on this product. Just I explain this product. Microsolar dome is an unique solar device which gives 18 hours light solution to poor class people's rooms who are live in slum slum or dweller in inset, muddy rooms, cottages, etc. This innovative item is invented by Dr. S.P. Gonchaudhary, renowned scientist, and Oscar Prize winner. He invented this product. Now this project deployed by IIT Kharagpur CSR project. It is for first time for 50,000 microsolar dome installed in all over in India throughout the country. DST, Department of Science and Technology, is funded this project. Just the lockdown period is going on. The interaction is going for the installation this system or project, but maximum 70% is going completed for installation this project. This device take beneficiary free of cost. Total subsidized this project by IIT through IIT Kharagpur by DST, Department of Science and Technology. Beneficiary pays only 500 rupees for this microsolar dome for installation by AGO group to installation them who install the person to take their material to the to the beneficiary and installation their material or take 500 rupees only. First time 216. First time Dr. Harshavardhan, now our Central Honorable Minister for Health. He is also charged on Department of Science and Technology. His constituency, Lalbagh, Delhi. There was that time 500 piece microsolar dome was installed that time. Of all the microsolar dome manufactured by us. Government of India announced in future more 1 lakh microsolar dome to install in every part of India. But this COVID situation, government funding problem is now faced by government. So we hope the government will be decided very hard on this project. We want to complete first time 50,000, then we will appeal to government. Thank you, madam.
That was fantastic. A big round of applause for Mr. Arun. Mr. Arun, बहुत ही बेहतरीन आपने स्पीच कही एंड वी कुड सी द एफर्ट. आप मतलब ऐसा लगता है आप बिल्कुल जो भी करते हैं उसके लिए बहुत सोच विचार कर लिख कर और टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू डिड एंड कितने क्लैरिटी के साथ कितने बखूबी सर ने अपने पूरी बात रखी. मिस्टर अरुण कुमार जाने से पहले ऑफ कोर्स जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा आपके बहुत सारे फैंस हैं यहाँ चैट बॉक्स में और सबसे पहला कमेंट जो आया है वो है मनीषा चतुर्वेदी जी का एंड शी राइट्स इन कांग्रेचुलेशंस एंड अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू यू. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू सो मच. ऑल राइट, Ladies and gentlemen, that was the superstar Mr. Arun Kumar Roy. And let's move on. जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा, let's move on नहीं हमारी. Ladies and gentlemen, we had two, right? जैसे कि कहा था, two extremely deserving companies have won this brilliant award. तो दूसरी company, which has won project performance engineering and design innovation. तो थोड़ा सा हम उस कंपनी के बारे में आपको हिंट देते हैं. आप गेस कीजिए कौन सी कंपनी है वो. The company follows a full service approach to solar power plants and provides complete solutions in solar energy through advisory. It has commissioned one of India's first, oh wow, I think that's a big hint to all of you, ground mount system with seasonal tilt with bifacial PV module technology. Let's see who is this India's first company. The award goes to of course, none other than Ilias Power Private Limited. And we have my co-host, that is how I would like to call her, Sikta Suchismita, the head of design and engineering. Sikta, stage is all yours. I mean, you are so comfortable on stage. Head of engineering and design,
Thank
I
you.
think that can take a break. Come be an anchor.
Thank you so much for the lovely introduction, Nikita. Once again, thank you so much. I mean, I am really extremely delighted to have received this honor from Solar Quarter during the Solar Project Engineering Week Awards India. I mean, this project has been very special to us. Last year when we got this project, it was like 1 megawatt with bifacial. I mean, India, like everybody right now are working on the bifacial part to figure out what exactly, how is the technology working, what is the best way to, install the solar panel so that we have the best LCOE, the client is making full, receiving back full ROI from the investment he is making. So definitely we had to do in a lot of research. We have run around 50 to 60 PVC simulations, read a lot of research articles, and did a lot of groundwork actually before zeroing down to offer him the final solution. What we started doing was like every step that we took was was a very big effort from our end, in the sense right from deciding what was the structure design. Since these are bifacial modules and the structure has to be designed in such a way that there is no shadowing on the rear surface of the module, so that we can get the full generation, whatever is the bifaciality gain, we tap the maximum out of it. So structure was designed in such a way. And secondly, the height of the structure that has to be put. I mean, there is so much of conversation right now. What has to be the height of the structure? It has to be 0.5 meter or 1 meter or 1.5 meter above the ground level, so that the solar rays that reflects back on the rear surface is like we are getting the maximum out of it. So we decided that it has to be 1 meter, and then deciding on the racking as in like it has to be single landscape, double landscape, or 3 landscape, so that we get the maximum generation. We went with 3 racking, and then from the fixed tilt to seasonal tilt. In the sense, like if a fixed, if you're putting, we just noticed that if you are putting it at 15-degree fixed tilt at that location, but if you're changing it to seasonal tilt, we had an increase of generation by 2.5% to 3%. Then changing from the poly to mono, there was another increase by another like 2.5 to 3%. And then adding the bifaciality gave us another, 3 to 5% of bifaciality gain. So when the performance ratio in the industry is running around 77 to 78%, here from past 3 months, we have been observing a performance ratio of 84%, which is not even temperature corrected. To be very honest, if we the best performance PR that we have got out of this plant is around 91%. I mean, that's not even temperature corrected, and it's quite high. I mean, we are so happy to see those numbers. And when you talk about this, the capacity utilization factor from past 4 months, we have seen a capacity utilization factor of 30% on the AC side. which is high. And again, the maximum CUF that we have observed from this plant is around 34%, which is again like kind of high. Then the most important point about this project is like the I mean, right now the research is about what is the bifaciality gain. Yes, we are paying extra to procure and install some bifacial modules, but are we really making out the extra gain? Yes, after setting up the entire project field, we are seeing the bifaciality gain of around 3% or 4.5% in the last 2 months. This month we are like so we have after that what we did is like we added another concept of there is a concept called albedo, in the sense like if you have soil or grass, the albedo is almost like around 0.25, like it's 25%. Soil and grass is having similar albedo. So what we thought, to increase the albedo so that there is a gain in the bifaciality, what we did is we have added baby chips to the project. I mean, baby chips on the ground. So what happens is right now we are anticipating that due to this, the albedo increases to 0.4 or 0.45, and we get another 1% increase in the bifaciality gain. This is an experiment that we have been trying. And then I mean, so a lot of efforts really went in for this project from our side. I mean, like our hard work really paid it off. And another thing is like envisaging a good plant is not just a design team's job. Constructing it with like quality and standards is something that the procurement and construction team takes ahead. So during the pandemic, within 50 days, our construction team just built this plant, and it was like really excellent. And to be very honest, your plant is performing well when you see your SCADA numbers are doing wonders. I mean, every day we see the SCADA and we feel very proud of ourselves. Okay, the plant is doing good. It has been this, but it is still going good. The uptime is very high. I mean, there has been no downtime. Like the inverters and the panels and the strings, may be the ACDB, everything has been running well till date. And there's a good O&M team which is also taking care of the plant very perfectly. So yes, I mean, thank you so much for this award. I mean, this is the entire team effort that we have done this. And last but not the least, I would say that our client, he is a veteran engineer. So he has kept this project, technically very exciting for us. This has to be this, I have to get this. And it was really very exciting to work for him. So yes, this bifacial, one of the biggest, I would say, like because bifacial is kind of new to India. It got introduced like almost from last year onwards, things have started moving. So 1.27 with like 27% of overloading DC to AC. So yes, we are performing really good. The kilowatt hour per kilowatt peak, that is like for per day, we have got the highest is around 6.42 units, which is like very good. So yes, we have we had really put in a lot of efforts, and we really thank you to have really given this award to us. I mean, I'm extremely thankful from the entire team. A very heartful thanks. Thank you.
My God, Sigda, I think firstly, let me just clarify the numbers that you mentioned, 86, 90, itne to mujhe mere board exams mein bhi nahi kabhi mile the. So that's first. And second of all, I mean, look at you, go. You are meant to do this. There is a
Thank
sparkle
you.
in your eyes when you talk about what you do. And that is why you're an amazing leader. That was
Thank
absolutely
you so
fantastic,
much.
Sigda. Of course,
Thank
before you leave, we have amazing compliments. You seem to be, like I said, superstar. You've got your fans writing and comments. Our comment was bhag chuka hai. So because this is the first time so many leaders are writing generous comments, so those are तालियां हो जाएं हमारे leaders के लिए, these generous leaders. So I will read all. And next time, so we will read first three, but because I think कुछ ज़्यादा ही comments आ गए. We've got Girish who writes in congratulations, Venkata writes in congratulations, Muhammad Absar Siddiqui writes in congratulations to Ilyas Par for excellent innovative work, very well deserved. Sandeep writes in congratulations, Manoj, Prakash, Manisha, Manisha, thank you so much, by the way. Thank you to all, but Manisha ke liye khas. Girish writes well deserved. Peda writes in congratulations. All everybody and
That's
Rakesh
most of
Kumar.
my team, Nikita. Like a lot of them are very
Kanika,
excited.
that is
Yeah.
amazing.
They are so actively involved. I mean, like to be very honest, like our journey has been very fascinating. I mean, like right now from the way our CEO, conceptualized the whole thing and our run in the entire last 8 to 9 years. It has been very amazing, and my teammates are very excited for today. So
I can see that. So, Sigda, can you just make an appeal to your, I mean, आपके काफी सारे team members आए कि the next winner also they give Anshar as much love as they did for you.
definitely, they'll do that. They'll definitely do that. Yeah.
Thank you
Thanks,
so much,
Nikita.
Sigda. You've been an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much, and
Thank
many
you.
congratulations yet again.
Thank
Oh,
you
before
so
you leave, there is Mr. Raj Kumar who writes in congratulations all the team members. All right, and on that amazing note, on that power pack performance by Siddharth's power pack, let's move on to our next award. Our next award is our next award is the High Yield Return Engineering Innovation. The company is one of the fastest growing solar EPC company for rooftop solar power plants with existence in 5 countries. That's fantastic. It has a turnkey rooftop solar project. It has done a turnkey solar project of, oh my god, I'm just getting confused with the number because that is so big. 915 kilowatt DC and 770 kilowatt AC. That is absolutely fantastic. And have deployed TIGO rapid shutdown system for fire safety with the beneficial in event of AC grid loss. Wow, I think they've covered just about every base. So let's see which brilliant company has won this brilliant award. The award goes to none other than, as you can see, it is none other than Shimato Enterprises Private Limited. And we have with us Rajesh B. Shah, the Managing Director, and Shivakumaran S., Chief Technology Officer. And of course, we know Shivakumaran S. to be that leader who is just, deeply saddened by the plight of electrical engineers in India. Gentlemen, stage is all yours. Many congratulations. Please take it ahead.
Hi. So am I live now?
Yes, Shiv Kumar. Many congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for this award. I mean, like, I don't, okay. Do you guys
Do we
see me?
have Mr. Yes, we can. Do we have Mr. Rajesh as well?
Yes, he's attending. Yes, and yeah, but yeah, I'll take it here.
Please do.
So, is my video visible?
Yes,
Clear?
yes, Shiv Kumar.
Okay.
Loud and clear.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, high yield return engineering innovation. Thank you very much for giving us this award, and I'm so happy to get this. So thrilled and excited as well to get this award because high yield is what that's the end of the story. So this is what anybody expects after you put up a solar plant. So that's high yield is what you expect, and we getting an award for that is very convincing and happy. I thought I should not go away with a thank you because I should share some of my insights with my fellow industry mates. What all I have learned through this process of getting this award, it should be shared. I think it's worth sharing it. So what happens is there was this customer who has 100 meter of a roof, and then he was contacting some solar companies to have a solar plant on his roof. But everyone who was going there was always looking at 700 or an 800 kilowatt of solar plant. But then in our case, we were able to pitch in 1,200 kilowatt of plant for him. 1,200 when others were pitching in only 700 to 800. So that's one reason why we backed the order, but it was not end of the story because that's when the challenges started coming in. We brought in the highest generating 500 watt peak modules inside when the competitors were already having only 400 watts in their hand. We had 500 watts in our hand. Plus, the second challenge coming in was it was a 100-meter roof, which means there was a chance of a lot of transmission losses to happen. So we had to cover it. So instead of having inverter in one centralized location, we thought we should put them across the building. So around the building was inverters. For every 10 meter to 15 meter, there was one inverter to handle the DC losses. And this roof was east-west facing. So we had to oversize the inverters a bit. So it's very good to oversize your inverters when you have not a proper south-facing roof. And the next challenge was it was a cotton mill. It was a spinning mill where you are prone to a lot of cotton dust, which means it can affect on it can be a reason for fire. So you cannot afford having heat on your cables. A little bit of heat in your cable can actually kindle the fire. So we double sized our cables. So that was in turn bringing down the losses plus giving a good protection for the plant. And here we also introduced Tigo fire safety optimizers. So fire safety devices, it's called. Tigo fire safety device is a module level power electronics. It's installed on each and every solar panel, which can protect your plant from getting into fire accidents. So that was installed. And then comes our zero export because down in the south, we don't have the privilege of net metering. So we had to have some devices to prevent export happening in the plant. So zero export was installed, and we gave the customer provision of DG synchronization. So even if there is a power outage, he can still run his 1.2 megawatt of solar plant. So all this put together, we were able to achieve a 5.8 unit per kilowatt. If that doesn't sound big, it is because it's on an east-west facing roof, and we were still able to achieve 5.8 units per kilowatt. So that's the journey of this particular award, and I thought it should be shared. So thank you very much, and thank you and congratulations to all the others who are winning an award today evening, and yeah.
Kumaran, wow. I mean, what an interesting story that was. You had to double insulate all your cables so that they don't catch fire because it was a cotton mill. Who would have thought? But
Yeah.
you need to think, of course. That was fantastic. Beautiful, beautifully narrated, Kumaran. And of
Thank
course,
you.
like I said, you've got congratulatory notes pouring right in. But we start off with Amir Khan, not the actor,
Okay.
of course. Mr. Amir Khan writes in kindly share screen. But Mr. Amir Khan, that was a beautiful story narrated by Mr. Sivakumaran. Without the PPT, so how about you connect and directly with Mr. Sivakumaran post this session? We've got Nupesh who writes in congratulations. Nishita writes in we are the best. Way to go with a lot of posts. She's very excited. And Avinash and Karthike writes in congratulations and congratulations.
Thank you, guys.
That's fantastic. Many congratulations to you, Sivakumaran. Fantastically put. Have a great day ahead.
Yeah, you too.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, after that interesting story, let's move on to our next award. Our next award is Our next award is the Solar Project Design Innovation. Of course, we'll give you hints for you to guess. The company is one of India's leading renewable energy IPPs in terms of total energy generation capacity. The company has done various design innovations for its project. You name it, they do it. Design optimization, exothermic earthing, robotic cleaning, and e-house systems to save time and several cost. Let's see which brilliant company has won this award. The award goes to none other than Team Renew Power. We have with us Gaurav Vadwa, the VP Engineering. Gaurav, stage is all yours. Many congratulations to you.
Yeah, hi, thanks Nikita, and thanks Solar Quarter team. And first of all, hi, good evening all. That award is very near to my heart actually. That designing innovation, in particular that e-house which we have discussed it now. Actually, once time we are doing some engineering and we know in all your bigger plants, we have to build MCR rooms for the going power out from the plant. So these generally MCR building, we are building initially stage with the RCC and civil works. It will take their own time as per their constructions. So they will take 3 to 4 months to build this kind of a building. So once we saw that we are doing some projects and we saw as a future planning, there is a rainy season and we can't do civil work and we are getting the PPA dates for this commissioning and we start. Then this idea starting coming up, popping up. कि suppose अगर MCR building नहीं होता, suppose हम solar inverter लगा रहे होते तो क्या करते? तो somebody from my team, our team said कि सर हम container solution ले लेते. So that's container solution strike to mind everybody is why can't we build some complete MCR room like containerized solution e-house? From that is the point we started thinking and we thought we will build some kind of a engineered MCR complete with all equipments and everything in one place at some vendors premises factory and test it out there and then ship that to site. This will reduce our construction time, testing time, and all these things. So how that idea start building up, and we had developed this product. And yes, in 1 month we have completed about 5 sites with this kind of a product and commission all in time. So that is a very good innovation thinking with complete teams together and coming with a very good solution for the whole industry. Now everybody is trying to build this kind of a things to go ahead. So that is the story behind this innovation. Even though we are doing a lot of things regarding new to the solar projects like exothermic weldings, which will reduce our time and all these things. So a lot of things we are doing, but this is the product which we had developed, innovate. It's very near to my heart. Yeah, thanks. Thank you all. Thanks again.
Fantastic, Mr. Gaurav. That was absolutely amazing. And we have Shaligram Soni who writes in congratulations to you, and Prakash Morankar who writes congratulations, Gaurav. As I talk, our comment box is just being flooded. We've got Avinash MK, we've got Dinesh who writes in congratulations. So you seem to be like the star that you are. Many congratulations to you yet again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Avinash, Mr. Avinash, please connect with Mr. Gaurav post this session to know more about the project. And of course, Nupesh writes in congratulations, Gaurav. Okay, on that congratulatory note, let us move on to our next award. Our next award is our next award. Before we go on to our next award, we have Manoj Kumar Yadav who writes in congratulations, Gaurav. To all our generous leaders, how about we type in faster कि जब वो हो live on screen, we can read out your name. उनको ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. All right. Our next award is the best project EHS management initiatives. We give you 2 hints. The company is the developer of megawatt scale ground mounted solar power projects with expertise in project management, EPC, operation and maintenance. They have a robust EHS system implemented with effective monitoring mechanism and have PDCA approach with all stakeholders. Not to worry. Our next winner will come in and talk about the project. Let's see who's won this brilliant award. None other than Team NG Solar. Nupesh writes in Team NG Solar before me announcing. Kya baat hai? That's the confidence. We have Bhim Sinha Jadava, the AGM MHSE, and Lokesh Joshi, the manager QHSE. Apologies, Bhim Sinha Jadava, AGM QHSE, and Lokesh Joshi, manager QHSE, to kindly come on in. Many congratulations.
Thanks, Nikita.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Yeah, hi, Nikita. Good evening to all. And
देखिए, मुझे पता है, firstly, let me just mention, my solar power has there's a lot of sun, and yours is, I think, the sun setting.
yeah. You can
So
see the
please
background.
take
Well, So I hope all the participants are safe and doing well in this pandemic situation. And well, I'm Bhimsina. I'm from NG Solar India, and I'm responsible for QHEC for construction project in the India, solar projects. So I thank you, Solar Quarter, for this recognition and award. Yes, thank you on behalf of my company. I'm with my colleague Lokesh Joshi, who is actually a site safety manager and who is lead behind this implementation of HSC initiatives and implementing various HSC programs. Now, at INGI, safety is our topmost priority, and it is our prime responsibility to provide safe and healthy workplace to the people working at our premises. So, our group philosophy in terms of safety is again no life at risk, and now we are and group is now focusing on no mind at risk. So, this will be our next step. So yes, specific to on HSC EHS initiatives taken at our 200 megawatt GVNL Gujarat project. Our top and biggest achievement is again uh, no COVID cases at site due to site infection. So this is our biggest achievement at site. Uh, we have started this project from the January 2020 and almost completed and at the end of completion in the May 2021. So we had around 600 maximum persons at site working. So it is our biggest achievement. And second is again we had 1.35 million safe man hours without LTA. So LTA is again lost time accidents. So this is our second biggest achievement. And as you said, we have robust EHS management system and very good rewards and recognition system. On environment and social part, we have done a lot of EHS initiatives like plantation and also Gochar area development, which is around the solar park, 700 megawatt solar park, GNL solar park. On social aspect, we have involved all the stakeholders from the nearby community, and we have involved them in the uh, 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 employment and so on. So we have also contributed for the safety awareness to the local committee, like road safety, then distribution of nose masks and so on. We also have done a lot of awareness initiative in terms of EHS, like we have been visited to nearby schools for the EHS awareness and so on. So this is it. I have very small time, so limited time. So I would again thank you all team and our contractors like Sterling and Wilson and their subcontractors and our management team who had supported to implement and effective EHS management system. Thank you again, Solar Cortez, on behalf of my company. Thanks. Thanks, Nikita.
That was Mr. Bhimsina. I mean, जैसे भारी आपका नाम है, I think आपका काम भी बिल्कुल वैसा है. And by the way, आप आए and before we could announce, let me tell you, announce करने से पहले ही आप आपकी कंपनी जीत चुकी है. रूपेश जी ने सीधा ही लिख दिया, congratulations team NGO. ये होता है confidence.
Yeah. Thanks, Nikita. It is all teamwork.
हाँ जी. सो भीमसेना जी, हम क्या करेंगे, हम पहले 3 कमेंट्स लेंगे. तो क्यों ना हम
Sure.
अपने जो हमारे जेनरस लीडर्स आए हैं, जो कमेंट सेक्शन में कांग्रेचुलेटरी नोट दे रहे हैं, उनमें भी थोड़ा हम कंपटीशन करते दिखते पहले 3 में कौन आता है. तो हम पहले 3 पढ़ेंगे, पर आप हमें प्रॉमिस कीजिए, आप वादा कीजिए कि आप जैसे ही अपनी स्पीच देकर जाएंगे, फर्स्ट थिंग यू गोइंग टू डू, आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जाएंगे, सारे कमेंट्स पढ़ेंगे और उनको थैंक यू बोलेंगे.
Sure, Nikita.
जी. तो we have Mr. Manoj Kumar Yadav who writes congratulations and Prakash Morankar, congratulations Bhimsina and Lokesh. इसके साथ हमारा फर्स्ट 3 का कट ऑफ हो जाता है. पर भीमसेना जी, आप जल्दी से जाइए और सारे कमेंट्स पढ़िए.
Sure. Thank you.
थैंक यू. मेनी कांग्रेचुलेशंस.
Thanks.
क्या बात है. आई मीन कमेंट बॉक्स बिल्कुल भर चुका है. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, पढ़ना मैं सारे चाहती हूँ, पर देखिए अवार्ड बहुत जाते हैं, समय बहुत कम है. कंपटीशन बरकरार रखते हैं. मैं पहले 3 पढ़ूंगी, पर आपने जिनके लिए लिखा है whoever is it that you have written for, they are for sure reading and will thank you, because this is absolutely amazing for you to do. All right, moving on to our next award. Our next award is wow, this is a very interesting category. This is Engineering Initiative Pandemic Response. The company has done a remarkable job even during challenging times of the pandemic. It has commissioned 105 megawatt and 110 megawatt projects during the pandemic. Kya baat hai? And completed within 6 months' time. The company has also made technical closures for all supply items for timely procurement activity. Absolutely brilliant. And let's see which brilliant company has won this brilliant award. The award goes to and we have repeat winners, amazing Renew Power team. We have with us Mr. Gaurav Wadhwa, the Vice President Engineering. To kindly come on up, Mr. Gaurav. आपको तो मतलब शौक है बिल्कुल जीतने का. This is exactly what it seems. Please
No,
take it away.
Mindra, thanks again. Yeah, so thanks for the team again for this award. And this award actually, this everybody knows this pandemic situations and all these things. We have a lockdown from approximately 1.5 years, sitting at working from home, all these things. So last year when the first lockdown started, then we have some pipeline projects which we had to commission that year. And then we thought how to do that, even though government has given some relaxation to elections, the timelines, all these things, that will give some boost up to us. But to do the engineering work, that engineering is a collective work. You have to work together with the different departments to optimize the design and everything. And this is first time we are working, even in my life, I'm doing first time in work from home at engineering level, to collect all your departments, civil, electrical, mechanical, to give the concepts, to do the designing. So that is things we are experiencing first time. And even though team has come up very good, when you want for a meeting, they will available. Even though we have a, you can say, women parity organization, we have so many girls in the team. Even the evening, we can go giving a calls, working 1 hour, 2 hour the calls. So that thing I share, that is a very good things we have done in the manage this project of 10510 megawatt in time. So that's kudos to our team who has come up with this kind of a time working together and giving the job and completing the project engineering on time. Even though engineering is the first part, once you go for engineering, then the next is come to the procurement, vendor evaluation, all these things. So there are a lot of things we are doing first time in engineering, working from home. But at the time, I appreciate my team and all these things. They come up very well and deserve the things, and they have commissioned the project on time. Design, everything is going very fine in this line. So that's I can say.
फैंटास्टिक मिस्टर गौरव. और क्या बात, कितनी अच्छी बात छेड़ी आपने कि मतलब वर्क फ्रॉम होम में भी कभी आपने कभी सोचा नहीं होगा कि आप घर पर इंजीनियरिंग का काम कर रहे हैं. पर देखिए क्या दिन दिखा रहे हैं. एंड but I think if you can pull off at a time like this, that shows how brilliant your team is and how brilliant you are as a leader. So many congratulations.
Yeah, it's amazing because I have not seen कि civil section अलग बैठा है, electric section अलग काम कर रहा है, collaborate करके काम करना, on phone, internet नहीं है, lights नहीं है, so that is very thing they have come up. That's very good from them.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. गौरव जी, तो हम आपके लिए पहले 3 जो हमारे इतने बेहतरीन हमारे ऑडियंस मेंबर्स हैं, जो ऑडियंस मेंबर्स ना होकर ही और जेनरस लीडर्स भी हैं, उनसे हम पहले 3 कमेंट्स पढ़ेंगे. पर अगेन मिस्टर गौरव वाधवा, आपके लिए बस कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटरी नोट्स आए जा रहे. तो आप हम 3 पढ़ेंगे, आप सारे पढ़िएगा. वी हैव नुपेश who writes in congratulations Renew team. We have Kiran Kumar who writes in congratulations, and Sandeep Pethankar. Kya baat hai. Mr. Gaurav, promise us there are 7, 8, 10 more. Ab jaiye, padhiye, feel good, and many congratulations.
Thanks for the partnership. Thank you.
जी. All right. On that, क्या बात, मतलब सोचने की बात है कि इंजीनियरिंग ऐसे टाइम पर how did you pull it off? I bow down to all of you. बहुत ही कमाल का काम कर रहे हैं आप सब. Okay, और कमाल के काम से याद आया. Let's move on to our next Kamal Award. Our next award is our next award is the Best Project Site Management Initiatives. Give you, of course, this is the tradition that we follow. We'll give you hints for you to guess. The company is the world's largest, ladies and gentlemen. I think this is hint enough. World's largest power company with around 110 gigawatt in operation globally. It has taken various site management initiatives such as HSE training, driving training, having safety officers, safety audits, and strict quality control and supervision, health and CSR initiatives, as well as process monitoring very, very seriously. Wow. So let's see who these leaders are. This award goes to. No points for guessing, of course, team NG Solar, and we have Sarang Patel, the AGM project, and Manoj Kumar Yadav, the senior manager site. Sarang, as promised, you have to call your son.
So I hope let's start with Manoj to just brief about the gratitude from our side. In meantime, let me check if he is available.
अरे मैंने तो आपको काम दे दिया.
Okay, Nikita, thank you so much for this award. It's an honor to receive such prestigious award along with my esteemed colleague, Mr. Sarang, who is the project manager for this site also. And on behalf of all NG fraternity, I would take an opportunity to thank Solar Quarter for this award. I would like to mention that for this special project, we are utilizing barren land, and the various challenges which we face here is like water logging area, swampy patches, and high water table like 800 mm to 500 mm. So it makes us so difficult to even access into the site, and also along with the groundwork, below the groundwork in civil aspect, we can say that piling work for the solar foundations, MMSC structures, in electrical side like trenching activity. One thing, if we talk about the environment, then it is highly corrosive environment, like we are having C4 corrosion category. So we have to think about the lifetime of the panels, like all the equipment, not for the panel, each and every equipment material. So this makes us very much innovative in the part of design, execution, and the maintaining the quality, seeing all the challenges at the site. Even in the tough market like in India, there we are having the very low tariff in terms of the solar generation. So but this is the major challenge, and we are having the team who work for the day and night to meet the tight deadline which we have to strict. And for this, if you talk about the management, like we are very supportive management, and they are continuous monitoring for the from the top level. This is the key part that we complete the project within the given schedule. One thing I would like to mention that our team is doing the work from in this pandemic situation. Like we start this project from the starting of year 2020, and the pandemic start from March 2020. But I would like to say that once the lockdown is over, our whole team is at site, and we are taking precautions, all the precautionary measures, seeing the pandemic situation. Motivate the team to work very hard to get the desired result at the site, and this is our team effort, like HSC quality. We reached 1.35 million safe man working hours without any LTA, without any COVID cases at the site. Also, we just take the various initiative like in the terms of local community and local peoples. We distributed the mask and other things like food packages during the lockdown. So I would also like to congratulate our management team because they are the torch bearer for this project, and they lead us to the success. So once again, thank you, Nikita, and thank you Solar Quarter team. Thank you so much.
That was fantastically put, Manish Kumar ji. Sharang, we have हमें बस एक ही आपसे चीज देखिए, मनीष कुमार जी ने इतनी दैट आपका प्रोजेक्ट इतना बड़ा था, बात भी उतनी बड़ी है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पर शारंग आपसे यही है, if your son can come in, let's call. Whereas I think Manoj Kumar has very beautifully narrated everything that he wanted to say. Anything that you'd like to add though?
Yeah, not much to add, but just thanking Solar Quarter once again for giving us this award. This shows our hard work and the efforts put in this project. Also, as you know, in the now currently we are finding it hard and very difficult to get projects on such kind of lands, because all the agricultural lands are not getting much equipped, and using such barren lands gives much challenges with all requires seismic and corrosion protections, and then managing this COVID pandemic. And as we know that this project is ongoing for almost 1 year now, and we are in just about to commission the project. So hope for getting commission at the earliest. So once again, thank you, Nikita, and the entire team. And
Thank you so
also
much. That,
congratulating the entire NG team for it. Thank you.
Thanks, Nikita.
wonderful. Many congratulations, Sharang and Manoj. Of course, before you leave, we've got congratulations और भर के, by the way, भर के आए हैं. हम पहले 3 लेंगे. We have Nupesh. Nupesh is like on fire, और मतलब award announce नहीं होता, the first person to write in congratulations and also guess correctly which company is won. So we've got Nupesh, we've got Karthikeya Sharma who writes in congrats, NG team, special mention Manoj Sir and Sharang Sir and Prakash Morankar who writes in congratulations Manoj, Sharang and the complete team, and many many more. Manoj, Sharang, promise कीजिए आप पहली चीज ये करेंगे, you will read the comment box. Great, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move on to our next award and our next winners, देखिए, you guys are game changers, and whatever is it that you do is going to be big, is going to be grand, and we understand and appreciate that you need that bigger time to speak about your big grand projects as well. But as much as we would love to hear you talk, time is a little bit of a constraint. So for all our upcoming winners, please keep in mind, छोटी सी ये बात, if there are anybody, of course, there are so many of us as well who would want to talk about, who would want to hear about your project, please connect post this award ceremony. This is all about appreciating the winners and also मतलब network कीजिए, पर बाद में how about we pay attention to that henceforth. तो जल्दी से with the speed of light, let's move on to our next award. पर उससे पहले एक छोटी सी हम गेम खेलेंगे, जिसके लिए मैं आपको 10 तक गिनूंगी, देखते कौन आंसर कोई कर सकता है कि नहीं. So ladies and gentlemen, all you amazing executioners, your third shot to name and fame starts now. मैं आपसे सवाल पूछूंगी, and the first, let's see who can guess this amazing riddle. मैं result क्या बोल रही हूँ? Okay, so the question is, turn me on my side and I am everything. Cut me in half and I am nothing. What am I? यार क्या क्या बुलवा रहे हो, that too publicly? It sounds a little weird, but if you can guess what I am talking about, on मैं 10 तक गिनूंगी, 1 2, मैं दोबारा से रिपीट कर देती हूँ. Turn me on my side, मुझे मेरी ही साइड में टर्न करेंगे तो मैं सब कुछ हूँ, I am everything. But if you cut me in half, अगर आप मुझे काट देते हैं, I am nothing. क्या है ये चीज? 10 तक गिनते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. अरे यार कैसे तो करो, चलो गलत ही सही, कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए आपको क्या लगता है. 8 9 10. क्या बात है राजेश. कार्तिकेय writes in module. Okay, good first answer, but I don't think that's the answer. Rajesh V was the first to write. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. It is 8. Nupesh writes in 8, पर राजेश जी से थोड़ा, I think 3 or 4 seconds later. Peter writes in infinity. हाँ मतलब, पर 8 is the answer. क्या बात है. With this, Mr. Rajesh has won name and fame. Many congratulations. All right, let's move on to our next award. Rajesh ji, Many congratulations to you. इसी के साथ let's move on to our next award. Our next award category is the Solar Engineers Choice Quality Awards, जिसमें our very first award is our very first award, ladies and gentlemen. All right. तो while हमारा award section शुरू होता है, राजेश जी, how did you guess? And उससे पहले कार्तिकेय, what is module? You got very technical. Karthikeya, till the time that our award ceremony starts, आप मुझे बताइए module? This was weird. अच्छा मॉड्यूल को एक साइड में रखते हैं. Oh, are you talking about module like solar panel module? Cut me, I am nothing. Turn me to side, I am everything. I think it makes sense. Great. Team First View, let's start with our next set of awards. Our next award is the Product Technology Innovation Award. Yeah, Karthikeya said yes, solar panel. That's a very, very interesting answer to the question. Wow. And Mr. Avinash completely agrees and he's saying, yes, it makes sense considering bifacial solar panels. क्या बात है? What a original, innovative thinking that is. पर award राजेश जी को ही जा रहा है. But I think second prize नहीं यार, innovation का तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. I'm absolutely impressed by the thinking. Very good. I think you have won the award as well. So we've got two winners, Mr. Rajesh for 8 and Karthikeya for solar panel. Okay, and with this, we have come to our next award. Our next award is the Product Technology Innovation Award. Let's थोड़ा आपको hint देते हैं company के बारे में. The company is an innovation-driven structural and civil consulting firm with over 1 gigawatt of solar assets. A company truly at cutting edge of structural engineering and solar has made a remarkable innovation, a rapid MMS health evaluation with the user's smartphone app to gauge dynamic response of a solar MMS. Fantastic. Let's see who the winner is. The winner is Agami Engineering Consultancy, LLP. And of course, we have Mr. Nimesh Prabhu. Wow. Okay, that's a very, very, how about we call him Mr. Nimesh? And he helps me with pronouncing his surname because it's absolutely one of a kind. Mr. Nimesh is the partner and founder of Agami Engineering. Mr. Nimesh, many congratulations. And please, I sound like जैसे मैंने पढ़ाई वढ़ाई की नहीं है, but I said from an English medium school. How about you help me with your surname?
Hi, Nikita. Am I visible and audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, so well, my surname is Prabhu Khanolkar, and
Easy.
yeah.
I don't
So
know why I
just
screwed
follow
up.
the
Okay, please.
just follow the letters as they sound. Thanks Solar Quarter for the award, and this surely keeps our motivation going in these times. And just one or two lines about it won't take much of a time. This award, the innovation that you spoke about, is about it's using a smartphone. Everyone's smartphone has an accelerometer, and using a smartphone smartly to kind of strap onto a module mounting structure and give it a impact and note the accelerations that happen in the sensor, then post process them and gauge intelligence based on that. So the very first thing that the most important thing that you can get by it is the natural frequency of the structure, which helps to gauge good and bad structures. It has wide applications in tracker health especially. So we are benefited by it, and anyone who wants to know more about it is free to connect with me offline after the event. So thank you, Nikita.
Mr. Nimish, that was beautifully put, and I loved how आपने मेरी बात सुनी and you stuck to that. That was fantastic. Uh, Nimish, of course, the superstar that you are, and you've gotten so many comments. We've got Nupesh. By the way, Nimish, can we have a big round of applause for Nupesh? Nupesh ji is on fire. और जब से शुरू हुआ है, I am the very first to comment, the very first to congratulate. Fantastic. So Nupesh ji writes in congratulations. Mohammad Absar Siddiqui writes in nice innovation, Agami Engineering, and Mr. Dinesh writes in congratulations. I'm sure that totally makes your day.
Thanks.
While
Thank you
I
very
say
much.
that, you've got Manoj Kumar Yadav ji who writes in congratulations again. इसके आगे इसके बाद नहीं लेंगे. I think this is the fourth. Nimish, any more that you read, please feel free to
I
reach out to them. And ladies and gentlemen, reach out to Nimish as well. Fantastic. Many congratulations to you.
Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our next set of award. Our next set of award is a bit of a surprise, and I will tell you why later on. Our next award is the Smart Engineering Solution Provider, and this brilliant award. The surprise here is two brilliant companies have won this award. So, okay, so let's start with the very first hint for you to guess is the company is #1 solar company in South India. I think that gives you मतलब वो तो आप उससे समझ ही गए होंगे. With a portfolio of over 4,000 megawatt, it has commissioned one of India's largest capacity rooftop plant in Andhra Pradesh. The company was designed in such a way that none of the existing shed structure is disturbed, and also the base fixing or mounting of every equipment was designed to house only on the shed purlin. Wow. Okay, that is innovative. So let's see which innovative company are we talking about. The award goes to as rightly guessed by Mr. Girish, it is Ilios Power Private Limited. We've got, of course, none other than the charming Sekta with us, the head of design and engineering. Sekta, come on in.
Thank you so much, Nikita.
आप जा ही क्यों रही हैं? I think you should just be कि अच्छा कभी भी आपको बुला सकते हैं. You have to switch on your camera.
No, I'm like really, I mean, my heartfelt gratitude to really Solar Quarter and you entire team for giving us this award. Trust me, this 2.7 megawatt peak that we took up in Andhra Pradesh is one of the most challenging project that we have ever come across. The entire point was this was a cotton mill, and like the machinery underneath the metal sheet were around like worth of crores. So the client was like very very typical about my sheet should not get damaged, and what happens is as and when we keep installing solar on the roof, the metal sheet starts getting damaged. So here our main challenge was mounting all the equipment as as you described. So definitely we had to use long rails, different type of Z clamps, I mean different thickness of Z clamps. We had aluminium, HDG, so much mixture was there. I mean like we to be very honest, just to mount a simple cable tray, we had to customize 4 to 5 different type of things. Like the clamp should be of different length, it should be of different height, and the walkways has to be mounted in this particular vertical and horizontal way. For all the efforts that the entire team has put in for this project is humongous, and it feels really very very happy to have received this award. Yeah, definitely I'll keep this short as you said. So thank you so much from the entire team, and a special thanks to our CEO to really support us, Mr. Naveen, and he's always there behind our back and has been supporting us in any of our initiative that we take as a engineering team. To have such a boss around who supports you in your any step feels absolutely amazing, and a very big thanks to the team for always being there, and the coordination is superb. So thank you, Nikita.
That's fantastic. And Sikta, मैं कहना चाहूंगी कि मतलब हमने before I could even announce, we at Solar Quarter could announce that you have won. Girish took the liberty of writing congrats and your company's name. क्या बात है? Again, this is confident. I'll read 2 more because आपको तो पता ही है. First 3 there's a competition in the comment box as well. So we've got Atul Kumar Jadhav, who writes in Clean Max. Okay. And Atul Kumar, how about you let me know कि इसका मतलब क्या है? We've got Mohammad Absar Siddiqui who writes in congratulations to you, and Veda who writes in congratulations to all Elias Par superheroes. Superhero is you. That is exactly what you are, Sikta. Many congratulations and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, Nikita.
And of course, Sikta, आप जाने से पहले मतलब first thing you're going to do, promise that you will read all the comments.
Definitely, absolutely.
Great.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, Sikta, fantastic. And ladies and gentlemen, like I said, big award. तो बनता है कि दो company win this big award. Our second company which has won this brilliant award is of course the only reason, right? We mentioned Shimato Enterprises Private Limited. They have won this award again, मतलब ये दूसरी बार हो रहा है. So many congratulations to them. So हम उनके बारे में थोड़ा बताते भी हैं. The company has executed 50 plus megawatt of solar rooftop projects for leading MNCs across the world with smart engineering solutions such as proper overloading of inverters, reducing the distance of DC cable with proper routing and proper AC cable sizing to reduce losses. That has helped in projects and high yield return, which is exactly what Shiv Kumaran S, the Chief Technology Officer, was talking about. And of course, we've got the Managing Director, Mr. Rajesh V. Shah with us. Shiv Kumaran, come on up. Yet again, many congratulations to you. How does it feel? How about we stick to that? How does it feel?
Okay, so hi Nikita. I'm going to take this one.
So, Mr. Rajesh, we were missing you the very first time.
Yeah. Sorry about that. So first, thank you, and I pray for all of you and your families, and I hope everybody is safe and healthy. And I urge everybody to wear a mask at these times. You know, these are difficult times, and we all need to work together to come out of this pandemic situation. So let's support our governments, and let's be safe for ourselves and our family. Thank you to the team at Solar Quarter and the judges for choosing us. You know, it's been wonderful, and especially getting 2 awards. That's even more special for us. So, you know, this I don't take these compliments. The compliment goes to my team completely. It's all their effort. So I just call myself, a mechanic in the office whose job is to go and tighten the screws here and there and troubleshoot everything. So that's my only job, but the entire work is done by the team. So just to share a small thing, getting these awards, one of the main reason we've been focusing, these awards do motivate us quite a bit, but it's also reflects the kind of work we are trying to put in our teams, the kind of mindset we have, especially in terms of quality. Come what may, we will not compromise on quality. Whatever happens, it will not be at the cost of quality, because if you see the motto of our company, it's always been think 25 when installing solar. So that is the mindset we try to put it to everybody, be it the end customer, be it the design, be it the installers, be it our partners, be it our vendors, be it our suppliers, be it everybody. So if you cannot think of your solar project as a 25-year project, then you're not doing the right thing. So that is the thing we try to install in everybody's mind. And that is why, in the last 10 odd years, what we've been here, we've always been known as the quality company. And, customers come to us and say, if we're always involved, we know that there's a quality behind it. So that's the kind of compliments we've got, and, we're very happy about it. Just to give you a fun part, the best performer in sales in our company is our customers. So that only happens if they are, happy and delighted about it. We've done a lot of, we do a lot of things. We are very transparent. What we commit, we honor. Customer delight is always at our forefront. So we look at that. We're very thankful and grateful when honest hard work and transparency, repass such awards.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
That was fantastic, Mr. Rajesh. And I have to say, if the MD calls himself the mechanic, I aspire to be a mechanic one day then.
Sure.
Fantastic. That was very, very heartfelt. And of course, Mr. Rajesh, you, the rock star that you are, the superstar that you are, I mean, our comment box is just filled with equally heartfelt congratulatory notes to you. We've got Swati Bhatt who writes in congratulations. We've got Nazmul Azad who writes in, wow, okay. Congrats Rajesh sir, congrats Evolve team, long way to go. Karan Shah who writes in congratulations Yomato Enterprise, way to go team Evolve. And one comment which I will read out is Nishita who writes in, the best boss you could ever have. Rajesh ji, if you have any openings, do let me know. मैं अपना resume जरूर भेजना चाहूंगी.
Sure. We are always open.
Great. Mr. Rajesh, so you have to promise that after you leave, right? The first thing you're going to do is read all the comments because there are many, many more written exclusively for you.
I will do that. Thank you so much.
Done. There's just letting you know there's Saurav Saha who wants to get in touch with you. So how about we do that? Okay, great.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Many congratulations yet again. All ladies and gentlemen, that was so heartfelt. Let's move on that positive note. Let's move on to our next award. Our next award is our next award is the Solar Project Engineering Consultancy. Okay, point is for you to guess. The company is an acclaimed design and engineering consultants. Their team has executed more than 70 solar projects wherein teams have shown state-of-the-art engineering, innovation, and optimization techniques using, and this is a big hint for you, software tools like PV System and Homer. Okay, so let's see which technocrat companies won this award. The award goes to none other than Sunpar and Consultants Private Limited. We have with us Mr. Ajay Chaturvedi, the Managing Director and CEO with us. Mr. Ajay, many congratulations. Take it ahead.
Yeah, thank you very much, Nikita. Thank you. Good evening to all. And my special thanks to Solar Quarter. I just want to take this privilege just to share my gratitude and my thanks, great thanks to this Solar Quarter team just to receive that award. And we are so humble to take this award from the Solar Quarter for our efforts. And at the same time, I would say actually all the deserving candidate, actually, they are just before me. But in the Filmfare Award, actually, all the actors in lead role will come last or second last. So probably we are the most powerful company. So like that. Okay, so I'll just go directly to my company. I'll jump into my company, Sunpower Consultant. Actually, we just started this venture in 2012. And we started with a objective of EPC. Then after that, actually, we turn our focus into mainly design and engineering consultancy jobs. And we also diversified like in overseas market. We are also working in Southeast Asia and Africa. And basically, actually, you read something 70 project. That is a wrong number. It's you just missed 1 0. Actually, it's a 700. So you just made my profile just divide by 10. So no problem. No problem for that. No problem for that. Okay. So this actually our main focus is with our some Myanmar projects and some African projects. I'm working in Western Africa and Eastern Africa and including India also. In India, actually, in my total profile, actually, we just completed say more than 500 megawatt of the solar power and rural electrification, solar water pump, whatever actually name it. Actually, we have done all this stuff. So I'll make the things very simple. Actually, after this, my company actually about the product or the project actually from which actually we are getting this award. I'll split this my functions into two pieces. One is like on desk. Like what we are doing on desk, it's all like remote operations and using the software technologies and the laptops and the WhatsApp messages and all this. So first of our focus is how to convert these conventional things into scientific tools. So I'll just give one very small, very live example. Actually, everybody can understand because I can see it's almost 53 participants or more than that. They are also listening to it, and they might not be technocrats or technical guys. So generally, you heard in the this era, this COVID-19, this particular situation is there. So somebody is telling, take vitamin C, take honey, take Chyawanprash, you will get a better immunity, then you can fight with COVID. But that is a conventional approach. But scientific approach, when you go for the vaccination, when you go for the like your a cocktail type of injections, whatever like coming into the market, that is a scientific research. You will get the outcome of that. So that is more reliable, and certainly there is a something should happen and something will happen. So we just converted should into will. How it will happen? Certainly, so that your targeted number and the actual number should not be mismatched. They would be like a least difference should be there in these two. So this is like one of the thing what we have focused on desk. Another thing is on field, actually, what we can do on field, improvise the things on field, because human error, whenever you are putting this human interface into the project, somebody has to do the job. So there are more probability, more possibility of the mistakes. So what we have done in-house at factory level, we have just converted all these manual operations on field into a plug-and-play solutions. Plug-and-play solutions means everything will be ready at your factory premise, least possibility of the mistakes. And when it will go to the field, then your executor will take very less time. It's a least involvement of the human resources. So you will see the perfect system in least time. So that is also, again, I'll just give one simple example. When you want to see one of the like movie or serial in OTT platform, so either you should connect your Fire Stick or Apple TV. So that is slightly like headache factor. If you have a smart TV, you directly go and check the Netflix or Prime video, whatever you want. So you can go directly. So meaning now this headache factor will be converted into the happiness factor. So that's why I'm getting this price. So I've just converted this headache factor of the, say, client, customer, and say even executor. They are also feeling very, very happy. So that's why this project I just presented to Solar Quarter, and we got selected for this awards. So that's all. Probably all the participants actually they should also understand. I made the things very, very simple so they can understand what my project is. It's not a COVID project, but it's a technical project. But I try to make them understand. Thank you very much.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. That was fantastic. A big round of applause for Mr. Ajay. And like, kya baat hai, kya rightly said. आखिरी के जो awards होते हैं वो superstars लेते हैं. पर यहाँ at First Few and at Solar Quarter, every award, every participant is a superstar, be it first or last. But Mr. Ajay, you've got that star quality, and we can hear it and see it. That was fantastic. Sir, जाने से पहले देखिए, somebody who's absolutely happy that you won is Manisha Chaturvedi. She writes in, yes, multiple E's. Sun and Par, congratulations. We've got Karthikeya Sharma who writes in, congrats, Sun, Team Sun, Par, and so many more. But sir, because of time constraint, we will take the first three. We've got Sunil. So Sunil who writes in, congrats. So Mr. Ajay, pehla promise kijiye, the first thing we're going to do is check at least 15 more comments exclusively for you and thank them because they are your fans.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much, Mr. Ajay. Thank you so much.
Actually, I just want to take one privilege just to say, actually, your team, especially Geeta, then Perlin, and your Anjali and Mugdha, because I interacted these ladies, actually, they are at backhand, but they should also be applauded. And certainly, big congratulations for them and big thank you for them.
Yeah, baat hai, sir. Thank you. That super generous leader does exactly that, makes note of people who are in the background, but unfortunately they sometimes remain in the background. But leaders like you who notice that pattern and they say, "Nahi, they have to be congratulated." Thank you so very much, Mr. Ajay. Very, very kind of you. Thank you so much again.
Thank you.
All right. After that very kind note, let's move on to our next award. Our next award is our next award is the Solar Project Design Consultancy. Few pointers for you to guess. The company is a growing startup working in the solar plant, detailed designing and planning services with a wide range of solar plant drawings, reports, designs, you name it. They have helped many small startups to grow their solar business. Let's see who these leaders are. The award goes to none other than Team Veristor Solar, and we have the co-founder and business head with us. So I would request, and how about the co-founder and business head of this brilliant company introduces himself on his own. Chaliye, co-founder of, that is a surprise for all of you, of Veristor Solar, kindly come on up. Can we have the representatives of Team Veristor Solar with us? Hello, I can hear someone. I cannot see you though. Hey, hello, Miss Meenakshi. Miss Meenakshi, there's a reason why I didn't take the name.
Hi.
Hi, Meenakshi. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm visible or not?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Meenakshi Gupta, co-founder and business head of Veristor Solar.
Meenakshi, before you start, let me tell you कि मैंने वो surprise क्यों रखा कि ये हमारा आखिरी award है इस category के लिए. तो मुझे ये था कि हम आपको एक अलग तरीके से introduce करें. So Meenakshi, by the way, looking amazing. Many congratulations to you. Take it ahead. You seem to be a rock star leader. Please take it ahead.
Thank you so much, Nikita.
Ji.
So I can start?
Please do. Please do.
Yeah. So firstly, I want to thank Solar Quarter team to select my company Veristor Solar for solar project design consultancy. So also I want to thank my team member for their great effort and hard work. So that's why I'm here today. Also, I want to introduce my company in my way. Yeah. So we are providing detailed design and engineering services for EPC companies and some big solar project developer companies. So what we provide in our design services, we provide a huge range of design, like we provide electrical design, we provide structural design, we provide capacity estimation, also many type of reports as you mentioned, and designs, all type of design of solar which required by a EPC player during a solar installation to a end consumer. We provide all the design and reports in our design services. Yeah, and also we are working India and out of India also, like we are mostly working 5 countries out of India, like Honduras, North Carolina, and America, Dubai, Houston. So these are the countries in which we are working continuously. And also almost every state of India, we are working on our design projects. So this type of success we have got in only 4 years. So this is the good time for us, and also we want to celebrate this time. We have almost 20 megawatt project in lockdown time. So this is also good for my company. Yeah, and almost I have 240 client, EPC client all over the world, and we have completed almost 300 megawatt projects in our 4 years time. So this is the Yeah. Also, also I want to just thank my team members. So they are, working very hard, and I just feel proud myself also.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
And my company
मीनाक्षी जी
also.
देखिए, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मीनाक्षी गुप्ता इज, वो खुद भी को फाउंडर और बिजनेस हेड हैं, पर एक बार भी उन्होंने ये नहीं बोला अच्छा मेरी वजह से, और मेरी टीम, शुरुआत से उन्होंने एक ही चीज बोली कि अच्छा मेरी टीम की वजह से हुआ। ऐसे मीनाक्षी, मेरा एक पर्सनल सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, क्या आपकी भी कंपनी में कोई है, क्या बोलते हैं, ओपनिंग जो मैं आपको रेज्यूम में भेज सकूं? क्योंकि 5-6 कंट्रीज आपने ऐसे मतलब ऐसे कितना घूमना मिलता होगा आपको।
थैंक यू सो मच। बिल्कुल
जी
बिल्कुल जी।
चलिए बढ़िया मीनाक्षी जी, मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू यू। और देखिए आपके लिए मतलब बिल्कुल भारी मात्रा में कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटरी नोट्स आए, वो हम पढ़ लेते हैं। वी हैव मिस्टर सुनील हु राइट्स इन कांग्रेट्स, प्रकाश मुरन, प्रकाश जी ने लिखा है कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। अविनाश जी ने बहुत ही मतलब हार्ट टचिंग बात कही है, वो कही है कि अमेजिंग, दैट्स अ वंडरफुल जर्नी, मेनी कूडोज टू यू। We've got Sikta ji who writes in congratulations, Meenakshi and Avinash ji writes again, wish you all the best.
Oh,
बहुत
thank
ही
you so
बेहतरीन आपकी
much.
जर्नी रही है, वो भी
Yeah.
केवल 4 सालों में, बहुत बड़ी बात है। Time to rejoice, many congratulations yet again.
Thank you so much.
जी मीनाक्षी।
जी।
ओके, वाइल हम अपने अगले अवार्ड की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, बट वी हैव राकेश कुमार जी हु राइट्स इन कांग्रेट्स टू यू। अरे यार, जब हम दूसरे अवार्ड की तरफ बढ़ रहे होते हैं तब सबको याद आता है, लेट्स कांग्रेचुलेट द प्रीवियस विनर। दैट्स ओके, ऑलराइट, ग्रेट, थैंक यू
Thank you.
मीनाक्षी, many congratulations yet again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, with this, like I mentioned, हमारा second category, this was the last award, और इसी के साथ your fourth shot to name and fame starts now. सवाल है, it's a riddle again. कार्तिकेय, अपना time to wear your innovative caps again. If you have me, wow, you want to share me. If you share me, then you don't have me. What am I? अगर मैं आपके साथ हूँ तो आप बांटना चाहेंगे, अगर आप बांट देंगे तो आपको वो नहीं, वो आपके पास नहीं है। यार क्या क्या बुलवा रहे हो यार पब्लिक। I'm just glad my family does not walk in while I say all this. Mr. Sunil writes in money. Interesting answer. पर पैसा बांटने से बढ़ता है। I hope that's a hint. Eva Kumar writes in riddle. Riddle. Third guess, and then we move on to our awards. Kartikeya writes in knowledge. अरे बांटेंगे तो नॉलेज बढ़ेगी ना, बांटेंगे इट इज नो लॉन्गर विद यू, बांटेंगे तो पैसा बांटेंगे तो भगवान विल, ऊपर वाला, दैट ऑलमाइटी विल गिव यू डबल पावर। अरे नहीं यार, if the key is if you give it to somebody, it no longer is with you. पावर भी, अरे आप लोग बहुत फिलोसॉफिकल चले गए। इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग, इलेक्ट्रिक पावर। Finally, Shiv Kumar writes in secret. Yes, secret is the correct answer, but very interesting answer. Yeah, money, riddle, knowledge bar, the electric power, and secret. I think next time, whenever I play this game again, Lily Bharti writes in secret. Lily ji, exactly 3 seconds after Shiv Kumar, but not a problem. That is the correct answer as well. But very interesting answers, which could be the probable answers to this question as well. Fantastic. Love the innovativeness. क्या बात यार, आप तो मतलब काम ही innovative नहीं करते. You guys are in actuality innovative as well. All right, and on that note, let's move on to our next set. Our next awards are the Solar Project Leadership and Team Awards, of which the very first award is Solar Project Engineering Team of the Year. Okay, so team award, and let me give you a few clues about the team. The team has completed design and engineering for 200 megawatt project located in Gujarat within 3 months. I don't know how they did it. The team has been involved in rigorous technical evaluation of all equipments and components. It is an excellent engineering team which believes in hard work and coordination. Let's see which hardworking team gets this award. The award goes to none other than team NG Solar, and we have Prakash. Okay, the team award है एक पूरी team आ रही है. I'll be taking your names along with your designation. Please switch on your cameras and your audios. We've got Prakash Morankar, the Chief Operating Officer with us, Kiran Kumar, Engineering Manager, Sandeep Petankar, Assistant Manager Electrical, Namita Deode, Design Engineer Electrical, Jaideep Shinde, Assistant Manager Civil Engineering. क्या बात है. It's a team award and the team is present. Now this feels like an award. All right, ladies and gentlemen, take it ahead.
Okay, Nikita, thanks. I would like to speak, I would like to open up on behalf of my team and then later on hand it over to my team leader, Kiran, who will talk more about this award and about the engineering that he has carried out. So first of all, thank you Solar Quarter for this recognition and congratulations to my team who has really worked hard in making this project a great success. So with this, I would like to ask Kiran to take this forward and talk on behalf of the team. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, hello. The wait has over now. Yeah, good evening, everyone. So yeah, it's a great honor. Thank you, Solar Quarter, for this recognition and the award. So yeah, it feels great to receive this award on behalf of my team and who has done the great work, hard work. And I can say it's been a great team effort to start with this engineering. It has been fabulous, fantastic, hardworking team, I could say. And apart from this, when I start from the bidding, I'll just give a brief introduction on this. Like starting from the bid till the project engineering, and then now it's almost verge of commissioning. So when we talk about two projects, earlier it was Kadapa and now it is GUVNL. Like one is keeping your nail on the stone and other is keeping your nail on the sponge. I mean, like two different projects with two different land constraints where we have, you may have understood, like keeping nail on the stone means not even, we would not be able to pull the nails inside the stone. The similar kind of land strata was there in Kadapa, and the new project which we had done the project engineering, it is totally, it's completely opposite. So we took that challenge starting from the groundwork and what kind of engineering and value engineering required to optimize the design and to add the value addition to the project in order to meet the tariff, as my teammates already explained in earlier presentations. Like it was a bit difficult for the team, and suddenly when we kicked off this project, suddenly I can say it was started in the March, and March 21st it was completely locked down. As Mr. Gaurav said, like for engineering team, especially for electrical engineering, the working from home was literally it was for the first time. So coordination between the teams, coordinating between the like various EPCs and all, it was a bit difficult initially. As we said, it was in 3 months, like our plan was something different, which we made. So at the time of, after the bid submission, we made all internal evaluations on the equipments and all. We decided which equipments we have to go without deviations and all. And the RFP, everything was ready. So when the EPC come up, so we just started kicking off direct with the engineering. Yes, it was a bit difficult in 3 months. I could say the major electrical component selection and whichever engineering required for the selection of the equipments for the procurement, it was done. And more or less, we were there on our calls for 4 to 5 hours, and we extended our hours during last pandemic, maybe in I could say April, May, and June. It was very tough for us, and really the team took us so much of effort to complete the design. And I could say I could proudly say we as a it's my team who did the job. When it comes to my team, it's not only engineering team. It will be like project team who are working on the field, on the site, to give more valuable inputs to us to come up with a like value addition to the engineering, I could say. And and the project site, not only the land strata, it's on low in terms of atmospheric corrosion and in terms of seismic zones. And apart from that, the water table below ground level, well, like it was only 1 meter water table below ground level. How we designed the cables, what kind of special cables we have used. So these are the value engineering we did. And I could say I have a team, and it is a fabulous team who supported me. And finally, I should not forget it, that management who trusted us, who kept confident in us. Yes, our team can do, and whatever we said, they definitely not even having a single doubt in us, and they trusted us. So yes, and today we have a team like project which has been executed with a good quality. And yes, and I would like to thank my project team who take such a good effort to complete this project. And once again, I'll be thankful to Solar Quarter for recognition, and giving for the Solar Project Engineering Team of the Year. Yeah, thank you again, and thank you everyone.
Fantastic, Mr. Kiran. By the way, मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी, again, confidence ये होता है कि जब हमने नाम भी नहीं लिया और कम से कम 4-5 हमारे जो जनरस लीडर्स है, उन्होंने सीधा पहली चीज की कि कांग्रेट्स एनजी टीम लिखा, और हमने अनाउंस भी नहीं किया अभी तक कि तो मतलब मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि ये अवार्ड लीक कैसे हो गई है. हमारे जो इतने बेहतरीन ऑडियंस मेंबर्स हैं, हाउ आर दे फाइंडिंग आउट, हाउ आर दे गेसिंग सो करेक्टली. सो वी गॉट कार्तिकेय who writes in congrats team एनजी, फर्स्ट पर्सन. मैं बता रहा हूँ, कार्तिकेय सबसे पहले थे जिन्होंने, मतलब हमने बस आपके कंपनी के बारे में पढ़ा और उन्होंने लिख दिया कांग्रेट्स टीम एनजी. वी गॉट शारंग पाटिल who writes in congratulations, Manoj Kumar, and many more. So Kiran, the very first thing that you're going to do is please complete the statement. Is अरे आप क्या करेंगे, मैं वही बोल रही हूँ, आप complete the statement. The very first thing after leaving that you're going to do is, आप सबसे पहली चीज क्या करेंगे?
Yeah, I'll thank the panelists and I'll respond to each and everyone.
सही जवाब, सब कुछ रहे. That's fantastic. Many congratulations, Kiran. And of course to your manager who was so kind. The very first thing that your manager and the COO Mr. Prakash did was उन्होंने बोला मेरी टीम, and सीधा किरण को सौंप दिया. That's fantastic. Speaks volumes about Mr. Prakash. Thank you so much again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our second last award of the evening. Our second last award is our second last award is the Solar Project Engineering Head of the Year. The leader has 12 years of experience in design, engineering, testing, and commissioning of wind, solar, PV plants, and switchyards. Under his leadership, the company has commissioned various major projects in record time. Kya baat hai? So the crux is record time for you to guess. Let's see who is this record setter. This award goes to like I said, this award goes to the record setter, Kiran Kumar, Engineering Manager, NG Solar. क्या बात है किरण, आपको अपना कैमरा भी ऑफ करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. I mean, back to back, it's you. Many congratulations.
Yeah, once again, good evening to everyone. Yeah, it's a great honor again, and really thank you Solar Quarter for this recognition. Yes, I would like to thank my fabulous team again, because without their hard work and support, there is one line every time it says the captain the captain is called as a successful captain when his team performs. So I could say, like, if I'm today and whatever the recognition is being there, it's because of my fabulous team. They are very hardworking, and because of them, literally the dedication of team towards the work, and whenever we start with any work, never say no. And yes, I'm proud to say that I'm part of that team, and my team members, literally, I would like to dedicate this award to them. And yes, I would like to also thank my management, and first of all, our COO, Mr. Prakash Morankar, and I would like to take my our MD name, Mr. Amit Jain. Like, they trust us, and they, as I earlier said, they kept confident in us. So that leads us to be here today. And this gives more responsibility actually for me now, and added responsibility that I should be even more better, and we can give better to the solar industry, and what innovation thing we can do being an engineering team, definitely. And also I would like to thank yes, because if we are working in this pandemic, the family roles also play a very important role. Family plays a very important role by standing behind us and supporting us. So I would like to thank my family also. And I would like to dedicate this to all my team members. Rather than saying engineering manager of the year, I could say each and every individual's this project engineering head. Each and every individual's are engineering head in my team. Yes. Yeah. Thank you once again, the Solar Quarter.
Fantastically put, Mr. Kiran. Of course, your fans are raging in the comment box. We've got Nupesh who writes in congrats, Kiran, Manoj Kumar Yadav, Prakash Morankar, Kartikeya Sharma. Wow, let me just read the names, Abhi. Anupam, Sandeep, Baba Tunde, Kailash, Jaideep, Sandeep. Kya baat hai? I mean, it's just congratulations, Kiran sir is all over the comment box. Many congratulations to you. I know for a fact that today is a very, very big day for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you once again.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're down to our last. और जैसे मैंने कहा भीम सिन्हा जी ने congrats किरण लिखा. Okay, and we're down to our last final award for the evening. And let's see which award are we talking about. Solar leaders, you guys harness the sun. Matlab, is there anybody who's bigger than all of you? Last award of the evening is Solar Project Design Team of the Year. We'll give you pointers for you to guess. The company design team has worked with equal zeal and dedication even during the pandemic. They have managed to design and engineer 105 megawatt and 110 megawatt projects during this testing time. Kya baat hai? So let's see who these warriors are. The award goes to of course, Team Renew Power, and of course, we have with us Mr. Gaurav Wadhwa, the Vice President Engineering with us. Mr. Wadhwa, stage is all yours. Many congratulations, team.
Yeah, thanks, Nikita. And as you told, this is the last year, so I don't go much more in detail because we have to sitting from last 2 hours, so I don't know between. Yeah, but that awards itself says about the team which they have worked, as we see in pandemic and all these things. But here I can nominate from my side, my team especially, who has engineers like AutoCAD designing. They are doing, if you are in office, you have a complete setup, complete everything available with you, and you have a dedicated your resources of IT, like computers. But once you go for work from home, and these layout engineers don't having a high-ended laptops and all these things, even though they have come up with this kind of a pandemic and giving a team support and everything, this is a really appreciable for me. And this all about for the complete design team they have come up in this pandemic. Yeah.
Fantastic, Mr. Gaurav, and thank you so very much. मतलब देखिए लास्ट अवार्ड होता है. If I was in your place, I would go on and on. पर आपने पहली चीज बोली कि नहीं लास्ट अवार्ड है. और देखिए आप बहुत, I think Mr. Gaurav has won. You've been coming on screen for the longest time. Many congratulations on the repeated awards. Of course, we've got Mr. Manoj Kumar who writes in congratulations, Renew Part team. Mr. Jaideep writes in congratulations. Mr. Kailash writes in congratulations. And Baba Tunde writes a very big, kya baat hai, it's a very big line. He says he's from SGIL Solar Lights and Energy, Nigeria. I say congratulations to Renew System. Keep up the good work. I mean, you've got fans all over the country and the world. And Mr. Kailash writes in congratulations. Again, fantastic, Mr. Gaurav. What a delight to have you. Thank you so very much. And kudos to your team.
Thanks, Solar Quarter team. Thank you. Thank Nikita.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we come to the end of our award ceremony. A big thank you to all the dignitaries and a big round of applause to you, to all the winners. And let's not forget your amazing families. Thank you, congratulations, and great evening, everyone. Namaste. We've got, Mr. Karthikeya writes, great event by Solar Quarter. Thank you so very much, Mr. Karthikeya. Means a lot, means a lot. All right, have a great one. See you very soon. Bye-bye. Oh, we've got, I'll read out the comments. We've got Sikta who writes in, thank you, Nikita. Thank you so much. Kiran who writes in, thank you all. Rakesh, Sandeep, right? Thank you to all. Sikta writes in, oh, you made the event interesting. Thank you so much, Sikta. Kya baat hai. Thank you so much. And you made my day. Manoj Kumar writes in, thank you, Team Solar. Kailash ji writes in, thank you, Nikita. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Means a lot. And Solar Quarter, thank Meenakshi ji writes in, thank you all. Avinash ji writes in, well done, wonderful event. We're missing the post-presentation cocktail party. Yes, we are. Babu Tunde writes in, congratulations to all the awardees. And with this, I take leave until next time. Thank you so much again. Have a good evening.